In this video, you'll learn how to add a passkey in the security settings of your Binance account. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully set up a passkey to enhance your account security. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. Log into your account using your current credentials. Once you are logged in, locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Security. This will take you to the security settings page where you can manage various security features. In the security settings, look for a section labeled Passkey or Advanced Authentication. It is important to ensure that your device supports Passkey technology, as this is necessary for the setup process. If your app is outdated, you may need to update it to access the latest features. Review any prerequisites or requirements that are presented on the screen, as these will prepare you for the passkey setup. Next, find and select the option to add a new passkey. This may be labeled as Add Passkey or something similar. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear to register your device for passkey authentication. During this process, you might be prompted to use biometric authentication, such as a fingerprint or facial recognition, to verify your identity. Ensure that you complete the confirmation steps without interruption, as this is crucial for successfully creating your passkey, which will replace traditional passwords for your logins. Once you've created your passkey, it is important to test the new setup, log out of your Binance account completely, and then attempt to log back in using your newly created passkey. Verify that the authentication process is successful, which indicates that the passkey has been activated correctly. To maintain account security, keep backup login methods enabled in case you face any issues later. After logging back in, take a moment to review your account activity to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Lastly, avoid sharing access to your device with others, as this could compromise your account security. If you notice any unusual activity or if you feel the need to enhance your security further, consider updating your security settings accordingly. This final step ensures that your passkey is not only activated, but also that your overall account remains secure.